It's just a little video to show the restoration that I did on the Goblin. The actual date of it is actually 1958, not 1938, like I said last time. So I got the date a bit wrong. 62 years old. But as you can see, it's taken me quite a long time, but it looks so much better now. So much more cleaner, sharper. Put a new handle on it, which you didn't have before. And there you go, it still works. I'll show you that quickly. Hang on a second, I'll do the camera and the plug. Haven't got the motor serviced, but something I might look into in the future. But as you can see, it looks a lot better now. There you go. Goodbye for now.